It's going to be my second attempt to fly the DJI Avata, my second attempt at FPV, and I found this really creepy abandoned houses. So let's see how it goes. Hopefully I've had enough practice and I don't crash too much. Set up and ready to go. Wish me luck. Okay, so I just had my first proper crash. I think I'm crashing a lot with this FPV, and oh wait, I think I found it. It's here. Oh my god, I don't know if you can see, but I am covered in dust. Totally covered. Wow. That drone is a lot of fun.